Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to enable Open to Work on LinkedIn. First thing you will have to do in order to enable it is going over to your profile picture right here and then clicking on View Profile. Once you are here on your profile, click this blue button which says Open to, and then click on Finding a New Job. This, as you can see, tell us what kind of work you are open to. So you have to add a title of your job, choose a location type, choose a location. You can start a date and employment type. You can also click to visible only to recruiters or all LinkedIn members. Then just press save. And as you can see, don't forget to insert your job title. Once you have your job title, then press save. But it has to be actually a good job title, right? So click save once you're done. And then click no thanks right here. As you can see, Open to Work has been enabled on this profile. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.